Welcome to Sintech. This is our receiving area, or Area A. All jobs arriving into the company start life here. On receipt, they are given a unique serial number which tracks them through the workshop and indeed for the rest of their useful life. Once receipted, a job will move to the stripping area. Once stripped, they move to the wash bay or washing machine to be made presentable. In Area A, we also have non-destructive testing equipment should this be a requirement. Once a job is presentable, it will move to Area B, or the inspection area. Inspection criteria is recorded and compared against our original equipment standard. After inspection, the job is accepted for rebuild or failed for scrapping based on the inspection report. At this point, engineering advised the customer with a formal report and quotation. Approved jobs move to our green holding area, while failed units move to the red area. When an order is received, the job moves into Area C, or Assembly. Each product has a dedicated assembly position with the necessary tooling and test equipment. Final test and approval is done by a different person to the one that assembled it. The penultimate task is spray painting, and that is customer or market specific. The final job is packaging in a crate suitable for our mining environment, where the inspection report and any supporting documentation is also included. From receipt to packing, the whole process is recorded on GeoPal, from where our reports are generated, giving both Sintech and our customer full traceability and history.